This Remax House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Corder. Built 2018 on Lake Hopatcong. 2-story custom craftsman. Dramatic open floor plan, fireplace, lake views and access. Stylish custom kitchen, signature wood flooring, vaulted beam ceilings, charming enclave, one of 3 distinctive custom signature homes Corrigan built. Soaring vaulted wood exposed beam ceiling in great room, craftsman hardwood flooring, dining area boasts trim ceiling package with views to field, stone wood burning fireplace adorned with hand-hewn barn beam and raised hearth. Custom kitchen offers solid gray wood cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless appliances, pantry and breakfast bar. 3 spacious bedrooms, separate laundry room and walkout lower level to yard. Access to NJ's largest lake, Lake Hopatcong, offering a vacation lifestyle just 1 hour to NYC. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Corder at 973-770-7777.